Hey guys, it's Prince here again, and finally I got my hands on this Huawei Mate 10 Lite. Yeah, actually this is a pretty famous phone these days and everyone is buying it, so I also bought this phone. And actually they opened the seal to verify the phone if it's working or if it has any faults. So this phone is not sealed pack, but everything is in sealed condition. The phone is still in box, so first let me show you the color. As you can see here, it's graphite black. ROM is 64GB and RAM is 4GB dual SIM. Actually this is hybrid. I mean you can use one SIM and one card, or dual SIM, no card, SD card actually. So you can see the seal is removed, so let me open the phone now. So this is how it looks when you open the box. This is the phone, and this box I'm sure has charger, cable, headphones, and I saw other unboxings before. This one includes a case. So let me bring out the phone. As you can see here, it says Huawei Mate 10 Lite, 5.9-inch Huawei full view display, 4 cameras, which is awesome, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and an awesome battery. So let's just put it on side. Let's see what's inside the boxes. So this is the first box, and if you open it, you get a Huawei charger. This is not a fast charger, just a regular charger, and this phone is not supported fast charging. And this one is some normal headphones, and this is data cable. And let's see what's here. Nothing here. They just made these extra pieces to fill the box, and I'm sure nothing here too. Yeah, it's empty. So let's see what's in this box. And this is the warranty card I got from this phone, and you can see the warranty isn't started yet. So let's see what's here. These are some paperwork, manual, and this is the case that Huawei gives you with the phone. And this is nice. I mean, this is not hard plastic anyway. Looks a little bit flexible. You can see I can flex it. So Huawei made this invisible, so I'll show you the beauty from the back side of the phone. Anyway, let's move this on the side and everything from here. And let's open the phone. And this is actually the phone. You can see here the dual cameras on back. Actually this sheet is not pre-installed. I just installed it when they opened the phone, so it doesn't get scratched. You can see here this dual camera here. Fingerprint is in a nice place. I can easily tap it. So I'm telling you again guys, this sheet is not pre-installed. I just installed it for myself, so the back doesn't get scratched. So let's on the phone. The display is HD and it's big. Less bezels, which is awesome and looking nice. So I just installed this black theme. Let me show you the sound first. So let me play some music. It is loud, and which is nice. This is the speaker here. So let's quickly go to settings and let's see what we get here. Into about device. And we have Android 7.0 Nougat, and this is EMUI version 5.1. The phone resolution is 1080p by 2160 pixels, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want more unboxings, stay subscribed. Go and hit that subscribe button. I will be unboxing some more devices and some awesome gadgets soon, so stay tuned for more, and peace out. And I just noticed that I installed the back sheet, which is in matte, and if I use this cover it will stuck and it's hard to get out of the phone. So I just bought a new case which is called Smith. This is nice and matte look and doesn't scratch the side of the phone or edges, so I'm just gonna put it in, and this is looking awesome already. Touch sensor is so quick, you will see. I'm barely touching it and it's opening the phone right away.